Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the NuroClean Spray. But before we get into that, I get hundreds of requests to check out products for you guys, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, we have it pulled up on Amazon, and I actually only found 2 ratings for this one. So this one's from Amazon and from Walmart. So as you can see, this is rated 4.2 out of 5 stars here on Amazon. So let's get into the reviews here. This stuff work is advertised, so with only 1 review. And here on Walmart, it is actually worthless here with 1 star. So this product is not very famous yet, and it is actually a red flag that there are not a lot of reviews for this product, since if it actually works, it will be more famous. Now, would I advise you to buy this? I would advise against buying this since it is not a very trusted product yet. So if you want to really buy a trusted cleaning spray, I would advise you to buy something from the local store that actually works and very trusted by a lot of people. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.